Alone versus lonely, what's the difference? Commonly confused words. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Kiwi Learning English. Today, let's explore the difference between two commonly confused words. Alone and lonely. Alone is an adjective or adverb. It means being by yourself, without anyone else around. But remember, being alone doesn't always mean feeling sad. Some people actually enjoy being alone. For example, he likes being alone in the house. She walked home alone after the party. On the other hand, lonely is an adjective that describes a feeling of sadness because you're alone or feel disconnected from others. Here are a couple of examples. He felt lonely after moving to a new city. Even in a crowd, she sometimes feels lonely. Let's test your understanding with two quick sentences. 1. He enjoys spending time. Reading a book. Alone, lonely. 2. After his best friend moved away, he felt alone, lonely. Take a moment to think. And here are the answers. 1. Alone, because he's by himself, but happy. 2. Lonely, because he feels sad without his friend. Remember, alone, by yourself. Lonely, feeling sad because you're by yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos that help you master English vocabulary and grammar.